Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number when you make calls on your Motorola Moto G72. For that, you want to click on your little phone icon here and then click on these three little dots. Click on settings and then go to calling accounts. Then you click on your provider and go to additional settings, and here you have caller ID or call waiting. You click on caller ID and click on hide number. So now it says number hidden in outgoing calls. So if you call someone, they won't be able to see who is calling, they won't be able to see your number. So now your number is hidden. If you ever want to undo that, you just do all the steps again and click on show number or on network default. So that's how you hide your number on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.